Garlic, a pungent bulb beloved in kitchens worldwide, is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a nutritional powerhouse brimming with health-promoting properties. But here's the catch. Many of us are missing out on its full potential by making one common mistake: cooking it. While cooked garlic adds delicious depth, the heat significantly diminishes its health benefits, particularly by degrading a key compound called allicin. Consuming garlic raw allows us to harness the full spectrum of its health protective properties. Get ready to discover the secrets to maximizing garlic's health benefits, and learn how this humble bulb can be a powerful ally in your journey towards optimal well-being. Allicin is the star player in the world of garlic. This sulfur-containing compound, responsible for garlic's pungent aroma and taste, is also the source of many of its remarkable health benefits. When garlic is crushed or chopped, an enzyme called allinase is released, converting allicin into allicin. Allicin is a potent antioxidant, protecting our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Free radicals contribute to aging, inflammation, and various chronic diseases. Furthermore, allicin boasts impressive antimicrobial properties, effectively inhibiting the growth of certain bacteria, viruses, and fungi. However, allicin is heat-sensitive. When garlic is exposed to high temperatures during cooking, allicin begins to degrade, diminishing its potency. To truly experience the full health-enhancing potential of garlic, consuming it raw is key. This ensures that allicin remains intact and readily available for our bodies to utilize its remarkable therapeutic properties. While the idea of abandoning cooked garlic might seem sacrilegious to some, it's crucial to understand the impact of heat on its nutritional value. When we expose garlic to high temperatures, we trigger chemical reactions that diminish its health protective properties. Studies have shown that boiling garlic for just 20 minutes can destroy nearly all of its allicin content. Cooking garlic can also lead to the formation of other compounds, which might not offer the same health benefits as allicin. This is not to say that cooked garlic is devoid of any health benefits. It still contains some beneficial compounds and can contribute to a healthy diet. However, if you're looking to maximize the health protective potential of garlic, consuming it raw is the way to go. By understanding the impact of heat on garlic's nutritional composition, we can make informed choices about how we incorporate this culinary staple into our diets. Prioritizing raw garlic consumption ensures that we reap the full spectrum of its remarkable health benefits. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide, making it crucial to adopt heart-healthy habits. Incorporating raw garlic into your diet can be a delicious and effective way to support cardiovascular health. Allicin acts as a natural vasodilator, helping relax and widen blood vessels. This relaxation allows blood to flow more easily, reducing strain on the heart and lowering blood pressure. Furthermore, raw garlic has been shown to improve cholesterol levels. Studies suggest that regular consumption of raw garlic can help lower LDL cholesterol while increasing HDL cholesterol. This favorable shift in cholesterol levels can significantly reduce the risk of plaque buildup in arteries. Additionally, raw garlic's potent antioxidant properties help protect the heart from oxidative stress. Incorporating raw garlic into your diet is a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier heart. Garlic's cancer-fighting potential, a shield against malignant invaders. While there's no single magic bullet for preventing cancer, emerging research suggests that raw garlic may play a protective role against certain types of this devastating disease. Studies have explored the potential of raw garlic and its active compounds in combating various cancers, including stomach, colorectal, liver, and breast cancer. One key area of interest is raw garlic's ability to inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells. Laboratory studies have shown that allicin can induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancer cells. Furthermore, raw garlic's potent antioxidant properties appear to play a crucial role in its cancer-fighting potential. By neutralizing harmful molecules, raw garlic may help prevent DNA damage and reduce the risk of cancer initiation. While raw garlic should not be considered a substitute for conventional cancer treatments, incorporating it into a healthy diet may offer an additional layer of protection. Further research is warranted to fully elucidate the extent of raw garlic's cancer-fighting capabilities. Garlic isn't just a culinary delight. It's also a powerhouse for enhancing both physical and mental performance. Historically, garlic was used by ancient civilizations to reduce fatigue and improve the work capacity of laborers. Modern science has begun to uncover the reasons behind these traditional uses. Consuming garlic can help improve exercise performance by boosting endurance and reducing exercise-induced fatigue. Additionally, garlic's anti-inflammatory properties can aid in quicker recovery after intense physical activities. On the mental front, garlic has been shown to support cognitive function and protect against age-related decline. By incorporating garlic into your diet, you may be able to maintain better physical stamina and mental sharpness. To fully harness the health benefits of garlic, it's important to know how to prepare and consume it. Always opt for fresh garlic over processed forms like garlic powder or garlic salt. Crushing or chopping fresh garlic activates its beneficial compounds, particularly allicin. Letting crushed garlic sit for about 10 minutes before cooking can further enhance its health-promoting properties. If you can tolerate it, consuming garlic raw is the best way to maximize its benefits. However, if the strong flavor is too much, you can add it to dishes towards the end of cooking to retain more of its active compounds. Pairing garlic with healthy fats like olive oil can enhance the absorption of its beneficial compounds. Start with small amounts and gradually increase as your body adjusts. By incorporating these tips into your routine, you can make the most of garlic's impressive health benefits. Now that you've learned about the incredible health benefits of raw garlic, it's time to take action. Start by incorporating garlic into your daily diet and explore creative ways to enjoy this versatile ingredient. Whether you add it to your favorite dishes, blend it into smoothies, or simply eat it raw, the potential health benefits are well worth the effort. Share this knowledge with friends and family, and encourage them to join you on the journey to better health. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health.